Hi, Connor.
Hey, were you taking a video of what I just did?
No.
Oh, I want you to.
Okay, do that again.
Here's my arm, here's my head, here's my butt.
I said don't to say that.
Okay, here's my arm, here's my other arm, here's my arm, here's my other arm, here's my head.
Oop.
Oops, one of my friends fell down. I better go rescue him.
What are we doing here, bud? What are we learning how to do?
Put pictures on the computer,
And then from the computer, where are we going to put them?
on the internet.
So who can see them?
Vova can see him.
Vova can see them. Who else?
Grandpa can see him.
That's right. And do we have any special messages to Grandpa? About his knee?
Okay. Grandpa, how's your knee doing? If I hope you feel better soon. Bye, Grandpa. Hello, Vova. School is good, and I really want you to come. Really, I wish you came really soon.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.